Alright, people. ¿Cuál es su nombre, mi amor?
Sheila.
Sheila es una chica de parte del grupo de Moza Reggae Lounge. Cuando nosotros ponemos esta fiesta de crucero, boat ride, party ride, she's gonna be involved. And this beautiful one, what is your name, baby? ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Lenny.
Elenis is also gonna be there. And Lenis, look at this man. Where you live, Elenis? ¿Dónde tú vives? Look at
Puerto
Lenis.
Plata.
And she lives in Puerto Plata too. So these are just two of the people that's gonna be part of the group that we're putting together for that. You see that? What? Oh my. My. And you, pretty girl, what about you? She's chilling. She said her father is Jamaican. Tu padre es jamaiquino.
Yes.
Tú hablas inglés.
Casi, casi.
She said she speak a little English. And your father tu papi no es jamaiquino.
No.
Her papi es dominicano, por eso ella caliente. Her mother is Haitian. Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.
Black and beautiful. You speak English. Say hello to my beautiful friend. Say hello to mi nidito. Look at that hello. And look at her face. Say hello, China. I call her China because she looks like
China
Chinese.
no. Hello.
Jamequina.
Jamaiquina.
Es mejor jamequina.
Yes.
Okay. She says it's better if I call her Jamaican. Let me see. Wow, look at that. You see? Wepa. Look at that. Bye-bye, baby. I'll see you later. You come back? Okay. Ooh, I like that one. See you later.